who is actually playing in the Super Bowl yet. Does that matter? I'm not sure. But that doesn't mean we can't get a game plan. I'm kidding. Get a game plan going for our food table. And today's food theme is cheesy. Chef Nettie Frank is helping us plan ahead. She has 2 appetizer recipes that would be perfect for any party spread. Yes, including Super Bowl Sunday. I've just offended all the football fans out there. Of course it matters who's playing, but we know the food is also a star of the game.
It is. Well, it's the star of like my parties, right?
Thank you. Yes.
I don't know who's playing, but I'm there for the food, right?
You're probably responsible for bringing a lot of the food too.
It's always at my house. Let's be honest.
That's the life of a chef, right?
Yeah, it is.
Well, I walked into the kitchen and the first thing I said is, "Oh my gosh, cheese! You can smell it. We're gonna taste it." But you're serving it in some creative ways.
I am. Okay, so we're gonna take this Parmesan cheese, right? It's kind of the thicker, great. Anyways, on the silk pat that we have, we're gonna put just a little bunch of it, right? We're gonna smash it down. We're gonna bake it at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. Then we're gonna take our muffin tray.
While it's still hot.
While it's still hot. Sorry, these kind of cool down real fast, and then you just kind of mold them to it. And see, when they're really hot, that cheese just stretches right over it. See? Yeah. See? And you've got a cup. Yeah, and you can put your favorite salad in it. If you're gonna do like spinach, I'd chop up the spinach first. Or you know how they have a lot of those pre-made salads now that have the cabbage and it has the dressing and everything?
I know.
We're always in a hurry. So you can even take one of those and fill it into one of the cups.
Look how pretty that is.
So then it has, all the salad in there. And then you can take veggies and put your veggies in there that you like, and then just have a side of whatever favorite dip or dressing you want.
Well, it's so convenient for the party scene as well. You can bring it to the couch, bring it in front of the TV.
Oh, yeah.
Are we actually eating the Parmesan cups after, or is it more just a vessel?
No, you eat it.
Yeah?
So here, try it. Look.
It looks like something you'd see in a fancy restaurant.
It's like a crouton kind of thing, you know, like they put in the fancy salad, right? But it works.
And it could work for dips as well. I mean, a variety of food appetizer options.
You could definitely put the artichoke dip that we're making right now to put in these little football rolls. You can do that. I mean, you can do, honestly, whatever you want in these yummy little cheese cups.
All right,
they're fantastic.
Parmesan cheese cups are cheesy appetizer #1. You mentioned number 2, an artichoke
Number
dip.
2, so these little football rolls you can get at your grocery store. We're just gonna cut.
Did you have to special order?
No, they always have them.
Really?
So just go over there, and they'll have them.
I've missed this.
Yeah.
Bakery detail.
So you don't want to go all the way to the bottom, right? Because we want a platform to put our artichoke dip.
Oh, it's got to hold our goods.
It does.
It's got to hold our food life together.
Yeah, it does. So I've got cream cheese. I've got artichokes, green onions. I love green onions in this. It just makes it pop a little bit.
And if you have a calorie counting friend, just don't invite them to your Super Bowl party. Isn't that
you know
that
what?
the rule?
I always say that there are no calories counted at a Super Bowl party.
You
just need to enjoy the game and the commercials. Hopefully they're good this year,
They
right?
better be. Expectations always high.
Exactly. A little salt, a little pepper, and then we're just gonna throw in some mozzarella cheese, and it's all done.
Easy as that?
Easy, easy, easy. And these recipes are on my website that you can go to, chefnettie.com.
So don't have to bake it, don't have to heat it, it's just ready to go.
Well, this is ready to go, but then we're gonna put it into our bread cups. And I like to use my scooper, right? Because then I can just really get it in there.
Fill every little open cavity.
Just stuff it full, right? And then I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on top, right? It's all about the cheese.
You weren't kidding when you said the theme is cheese.
It is. So then I like to put it on this part of the bread too, because I'm gonna eat that part of the bread.
Oh, you're gonna toast it.
To dip it in. Yeah, so then when we toast it, we've got this melty cheese bread like we have right there.
Oh, Nettie,
and then
I like
you
your
can
style.
dig in, and you've got, here, I'll cut into it real fast. And then when you just bite into it like a sandwich, you've got...
Oh, I see. We're not even dipping at all.
No, we're eating it like a sandwich.
We're eating it just the way it was meant to be eaten.
Like a manly thing, right?
Do we
just
have to make that sound effect? Just a little...
I don't know.
I went to do it and I chickened out. But she was there to save me like a good girlfriend.
You can be, oh, yum, you know, if you want to.
This is Super Bowl Sunday.
It's Super Bowl. Anyways, these are great Super Bowl treats. And you've got to always have Beyond Glazed donuts at your Super Bowl or any event.
This is where Nettie first won our hearts. She, of course, is the creator of Beyond Glazed. So look at these amazing donuts. That would be an awesome compliment to any party, cheese theme or not. But what I love about these 2 recipes is you've proven that the recipes themselves can be basic, but it's how you serve them. Just a little bit of extra detail can make the party difference.
Exactly. Yeah. And I mean, look how fancy they look. You're like at a fancy restaurant.
Oh, it looks like you've been slaving away. And really, you've just been making Nettie's cheese cups, and we're good to go. Beautiful spread. Not too early to start planning the food, getting your game plan on for Super Bowl Sunday. So thanks for the early inspiration.
Thank you for having me.
And we were just chatting. You are teaching these awesome private cooking classes.
Yes.
And women, neighborhood, even bunco groups are getting on board, kind of bringing you into
well, like instead of bunco, we're doing cooking. So like each month it's at each woman hosts it at their house.
I love that.
And so I come and I teach them a topic. Like tonight is how many different dinners we can do with rotisserie chicken.
Genius.
So it's things that they need in their life, and so they love it. They get time to have girls' night, chat, eat, learn, and get back in the kitchen.
That's a new
great.
girlfriend's night out. We've done the pedicure, we've done the dinner out, we've done the bunko. Now we can welcome Nettie
Let's do
and
cooking
just
classes.
cook and eat yummy food. How can we get more information about your classes?
ChefNettie.com.
All right.
And you can contact me there.
Look for the link on our website along with the recipes for these two appetizer dishes. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. Enjoy.
We will. Oh, we will.